The future of RC has arrived.
It's lights out and away we go. The black car gets away very well, but it's the yellow car that tries to find room and takes the lead. We're on board now with the red car as he tries to come through. He's swooping around and he catches the black car asleep. There's contact! You can see the concentration on the driver's faces and how much the driver is working his steering wheel. Here's the actual view the driver gets. It's wheel to wheel down to the corner we go, and it's the yellow car quickest on the acceleration.
Fire up the Real Racer app. Snap your device into the headset, and you're ready to race. Featuring a high-definition, low-latency video stream from the car to your headset, Real Racer is the driver's view racing experience that drops you in the thick of the action. With four-wheel drive, full independent suspension, and fully proportional 2.4 GHz control system. Real Racer is also a highly capable RC car in its own right. With these combined features, Real Racer lets you take every twist, turn, jump and spin as if you're sat behind the wheel. And allows you to turn all manner of surfaces at home, office or even outdoors into your arena. And if you need a short break from the driver's seat, Real Racer's physical controls allow you to ditch the headset and continue racing old school for a while.
Our team has been working very hard on this project for well over a year, and as we near the final stages of development, we're incredibly excited about getting Real Racer out there and into your hands. So please, back us now and help us take the final step in bringing Real Racer to market and putting you in the driver's seat.